Hey, Radiologando folks, how are you? We're here for another video on the channel, and the question is, who discovered X-rays? Do you know? Well, if you don't, stay until the end with me to learn a bit more about the history of radiology and where it all began. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, subscribe now and activate all notifications to not miss any video. And of course, leave a like here to support our work, as it is very precious to us. So, without further ado, let's find out who discovered X-rays. A quick question. Do you know how long radiology has existed? Well, if you don't know, pay close attention to what I'm going to say now. X-rays were discovered on November 8, 1895. So, we have basically a little over a century since the discovery of X-rays. But do you know who made this great discovery and revolutionized medicine? Well, that's what we're going to find out throughout the video. After all, radiology not only revolutionized medicine but also made a great leap in technological advances, showing how much radiation can, and will still be useful to us, human beings. At the beginning of its discovery, various experiments and tests were conducted, discovering many advantages, but also risks, and how we should handle all types of radiation. From that, other radioactive sources were discovered, including artificial and natural radiation. So, all this is based on the discovery of X-rays, which, as I mentioned, was made on November 8, 1895. Incidentally, this date is celebrated worldwide as the International Day of Radiological Technologists. And who discovered X-rays? Write this down. Wilhelm Conrad Röntgen. Initially, the rays were known as Röntgen rays and not X-rays, but he decided to name them X-rays because he didn't know much about the characteristics of this new energy source. The discovery of X-rays allowed the development of various other studies. Wilhelm Röntgen won the Nobel Prize in Physics for his contributions. The possibility of radiographing the human body without invasive procedures was revolutionary. The first radiograph was taken in December when Röntgen registered the left hand of his wife, Anna Bertha, with her wedding ring visible. Comparing those images with today's, we can see how much technology has advanced. From the radiographic technique, many other techniques were developed, such as mammography, computed tomography, magnetic resonance imaging, hemodynamics, radiotherapy, among others. It was also discovered that there is ionizing and non-ionizing radiation, with varied applications, such as in resonance and ultrasound. Radiation can be natural, spontaneous in nature, or artificial, found in clinics and hospitals. Equipment only releases radiation when operated by qualified technicians during specific procedures, ensuring safety and control. Röntgen, with his studies and discoveries, opened a new world in medicine. Various procedures are performed today with imaging, such as in radiotherapy, allowing highly precise and efficient treatments. Röntgen was not the only one studying radiation, but he gave the initial push in 1895. In 1896, radioactivity was discovered, a topic of an interesting movie. And so, did you know all this history? Some articles claim that radiation was discovered accidentally, others claim that Röntgen discovered it intentionally. What's your opinion? Do you believe he discovered it accidentally or intentionally? I believe he discovered it intentionally. If you liked the video, don't forget to leave your like. If you're not subscribed to the channel yet, subscribe and activate all notifications to not miss any video.